My name's Heather, and I am an RPN on the mobile team here at Bruyère. The responsibilities of a nurse on the mobile team are to essentially fill in on any unit that might be short that day.
My name is Jarrett, and I'm an RPN on Bruyère's mobile team, and I work primarily at St. Vincent Hospital. My responsibilities include basic bedside care, providing nursing interventions and care, as well as medication administration. A big part of the mobile team is being able to work on any given unit on any given day. Every day is a different day, and you always get a new set of coworkers as well as a new set of patients that you're essentially assigned to take care of. And a big part of that is not having a specialty and not being stuck on one unit, and you get to actually explore different avenues of the hospital and get to know different staff, different patients, and being able to provide a different type of care every single day.
One of the best parts about my job working on the mobile team is feeling as though I know everybody in the entire hospital. Every day I work with a different team, so I'm always seeing friendly faces, and I also feel as though I know all of the patients in the hospital, and it just really gives you that sense of community. As a brand new nurse, one of the things I loved about Bruyère was the fact that there was a lot of support. We have practice support nurses on every single unit, and their job is literally to support nurses. If you show up one day and there is a skill or an intervention that you have never done, there's somebody available to walk you through it, so you're guided the entire way through.
Bruyère builds a lot of good relationships with their patients as well as their families because a lot of them are here for a long period of time. They're here longer than they are in, let's say, acute care, for example, and we get to know them as not only a patient but also as a person, who they were before they came in, and hopefully when they're leaving Bruyère, they're leaving as a new person as well, trying to get back to that old life that they may have left behind and trying to get to a new outlook on life.